So the other day we did a first look, I guess, at one of the IDMIX chargers. It was this fellow right here. You guys may be able to see it. This guy right here. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. You know, it's nice to see a company taking something as simple as a battery charger and actually making it a little more interesting, which I think is all right. Anyways, they also sent us this. It's the IDMIX Air 2 Air Passport, and this is their Apple Find My certified, which is cool for those of us that have Apple products. Portable, what does it say? Portable Smart Location Passport Card Bag. And you know what? If you're someone who travels a lot and you have to carry your passport around, which I have my passport somewhere, I have to figure out where, but it's somewhere. I think it's in one of my bags because I used it when I was on my trip this summer. Having something like this that you can carry everything in, kind of nice, right? Kind of nice. So this is I think this is fairly new. I don't know if this is on a Kickstarter right now, an Indiegogo, but I'll put links down below once I figure out where it actually is. Again, it uses the Find My system inside the iPhone. So for those of you that have an iPhone, of course, it's not as if you need to download any extra software, which is kind of nice. It's kind of just built in, ready to go. They do say that, again, it uses the Find My Device app, ideal for work trips, vacations, studies, anywhere that you could just not find your wallet, I guess, because even though it does take a passport, I'm guessing, I haven't looked at it, I'm guessing you could just use it as your everyday wallet if you like something a little bigger, right? If you're someone who likes a big wallet. For me, that means I have to carry a bag, so not necessarily something I'm going to carry around all the time. This would be a use case type device for me, so if I'm traveling. But it does say conveniently store passports, credit cards, bank cards, tickets, boarding passes. Perfect for travel. Travel's good. Again, I'll have to find their Kickstarter page. I'm sure I'll have it linked below once I locate it. I'm hoping that this comes in a bunch of different colors. I don't know for sure, but that's kind of it right there. And this is gonna open somehow. We'll take a first look. Again, because it uses the Find My feature, the nice thing is we don't have to be worried about it, having to use a third-party app or anything like that, which is kind of nice because third-party apps sometimes they're hit and miss. Let's be completely honest. And if you're using a Find My, you want something that's kind of built into the operating system because it's just running all the time, which is really nice. I'll put that over there. Well, I have to say though, it looks nice. It looks handy. So it does say it also has the ability to, it has it in there, but it's so small, right? So small. So inside here, of course, this is where you could put, I'm guessing, like your cards and stuff like that. It doesn't have card slots in it, right? The Find My feature is in here, but there's a button. There's a button right there. Oh, that's how you turn it on, I guess. Well, I'm curious now. Let's see if we can figure out how to set this up. So, all right, let's see. I have some instructions because, of course, mine didn't come with. I don't think it came with a manual. Oh no, it did. Yeah, it did. But I have an online manual. So, to turn on, press the power button once. A beep will indicate that the device is powered on. To turn off, press and hold the button 3 seconds to indicate that it's powered off. Update check. Ensure your device is running the latest version of iOS, which it is. For the Find My. Connecting. Press the power button on the passport holder until it emits a beep indicating it is ready to connect. Open the Find My device. Okay, so let's do this, shall we? Find My. Yes, I'm with you so far. On your Apple device, select items and tap the plus item. All right, so items and plus. Okay, I'm with you so far. Choose other supported items. Okay, searching. It found an Air Passport. Yeah, connect. I'm gonna call it Greg's Passport Wallet. Yes? Yes. Continue. Create an emoji. And do they have a passport? Passport. So supposedly that's passport, I guess. All right, continue. This item is linked to your account. Yes, I agree. Boom, finish. That can't really be a whole lot simpler, can it? No. So at this point in time, you can see, whoops, you can see that if I come here, passport wallet, it tells me there it is. And if I hit play sound, right, directions, it actually says, comes up and says, no, it's with you. Well, it says something is 1 minute away. Oh no, I'm moving around. So it's probably close, but I'm also downstairs in the basement. It doesn't even have me kind of in the right spot. I'm just kind of floating around over there. That's fine and dandy. Share this item, so I could share it. Notifications, oh, I like these. So notifications, right? Notify when left behind. That's something, can you turn on? It says it's on. Except at 2 locations. Maybe I can't disable that. Notify when left, it's turned on. It says it's turned on. But don't notify it when I'm leaving the house. That's cool. There's your information, your serial numbers, firmware. Does it say anything about firmware updates? Because it does say it has a firmware. Update check. Ensure the device is running the, oh, it doesn't say anything about that. I'm wondering if the app itself would do a firmware update. Right, so if you're in here. So it does say there's lost mode, of course, you can activate this. Auto track, anti-tracking feature. So very much like all the other Apple Find My stuff. You can remove the password holder from Find My device. Sure, that's easy. Factory reset. Yeah. Unexpected tracking detection. Charging indicator light uses. So it says if you have a certified. So it's nice about this. This does charge wirelessly. So you just have to place this on because there's no. What I like about this, 2 things, is that it doesn't take like a lot of these take like a what you call it, like a watch battery, which is great. They usually get close to a year. But this doesn't. This is something that you can just, put it on a wireless charger and it'll charge. So that's kind of cool. I like that. It's not cool if you don't have a wireless charger, but if you do. And then again, when you're done with this, because maybe it's like me, it's not something you're going to use day to day. You're going to use it when you're traveling, because I do like that with traveling, right? That, can you put your phone in here? There's got to be a way that you could, your passport would go in there. Is this, how does this, it's got to be a way for, is there a way for your phone? Is this, does it even, maybe, I thought it was like a phone wallet. Maybe it's not. It's not. Maybe it's just its actual wallet. I keep thinking it's a phone wallet, but no, it's just a wallet. So no phone at all, right? It's just cool enough that it will just do its thing, and it's the Find My, so you don't lose your passport, because that's important, right? And I guess it wouldn't make sense if this was a Find My wallet and you had your phone in it, because then if you lost your passport, you lost your phone as well. And how do you use? Yeah, I see. Yeah, I get it. All right, so credit cards, passport, you're good to go. And then when you're done, you want this off because it's going to be sitting at home. You're not going to be using it. I'm going to put it in the drawer, right? I'm just going to click and hold that. 3 seconds, it says. And off. Yeah, no, it's pretty cool. I like it. It's not something for everyone if you don't travel that much. What do you need a passport wallet for, right? But if you do travel and you want that, because you are someone who loses your stuff all the time, very cool. One device, right? One product, nice. And get a nice case for your phone, I guess. All right, guys, that's the IDMIX passport wallet, Air Passport, Air Passport Air 02. Yeah, Find My. I don't know if I'm guessing if you have an Android, you're SOL. I guess it's kind of an iPhone thing. And that's it. We'll see you guys next video. Links down below once I figure out where they are. All right, I'm out. Later.